Cash Express Loan Review, Honest Thoughts. Official and Regulatory Insights. Better Business Bureau gives Cash Express an F rating, noting concerns about predatory lending, poor customer service, and failure to respond to complaints. Their Trustpilot rating hovers around 3.4 out of 5, with a nearly even split of positive and negative reviews. Finanso.com gives a similar score of 2.6 out of 5, based on themes like high fees, burdensome interest, and poor customer experiences. User experiences and anecdotes. Widespread complaints from the Philippines. Cash Express, also known as Cash Express in Southeast Asia, is repeatedly criticized by users for high interest and hidden fees. Cases of 500 PHP loans ballooning to 865 PHP within a week, and interest climbing into double digits. Aggressive collection tactics. Users report harassment, threats of home visits, and rude messaging when payments are delayed. Legal and licensing concerns. Some users say Cash Express operates without the required certificate of authority, labeling parts of it illegal. Debt spiraling from small loans. One user reported a 3,000 PHP loan quickly ballooned to over 17,000 PHP in penalties and interest. In the US, there are similar frustrations, unclear or misleading practices. One customer said that they were asked to provide a gift card to verify their bank account, a major red flag for potential fraud. Stories of abusive practices. A borrower claimed they paid $3,331 on a $1,000 loan, with the remaining balance nearly impossible to reduce. Threats came via letters from an in-house legal assistant despite arbitration clauses. So the bottom line is that Cash Express and Cash Express are designed for fast, short-term access to cash, but at a very steep price. Multiple reviews and regulatory perspectives strongly warn of debt traps driven by high interest and fees, unethical collection tactics that can become predatory, potential regulatory violations depending on region. If faced with an urgent need for funds, explore more responsible alternatives first, like credit unions, personal installment loans with fair terms, employer pay advances, or community support resources. Only consider Cash Express as a last resort, and only after fully understanding all fees, terms, and legal implications. If you use them long before and feel burdened or mistreated, many communities suggest resisting repayment while seeking legal or debt relief options, especially if unethical practices were involved. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this review helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.